Chicory root tea is a medicinal root that has a flavor similar to coffee, but without the caffeine, and is easy to make into a tea and blend with cocoa nibs and macadamia nuts to make a nutritious milk alternative. To make chicory root tea, scale 15 grams of roasted chicory root into your brewing device and pour 500 grams of boiling water over top. Allow to steep for 10 to 15 minutes and strain when the desired taste strength is achieved. To prepare the milk ingredients, scale 350 grams of regular strength chicory root tea into a mason jar and add 15 grams of cocoa nibs and a pitted medjool date. In another jar, scale 70 grams of macadamia nuts and pour boiling water over top. Soaking the nuts will help remove the nuts' protective enzymes that interfere with digestion and store the jars overnight in the refrigerator. The next day, the nuts need to be rinsed and added to a blender with the tea mixture. Then blend on high speed for a couple of minutes and strain through a nut milk bag. Gently squeeze the bag to release the milk and discard the remaining pulp. This recipe makes 500 milliliters of chicory root cacao macadamia nut milk and can be sweetened with a little maple syrup or honey to taste. Stored in the refrigerator, the milk will keep for about 3 days.